Ingeteam Power Technology. Power Grid Automation. Tutorials. Topic: Device Detection and CID Importing. In this video, we will learn how the device detection and CID importing work in the Energy Factory Suite tool. First, we will open the Pack Factory application and click on the Start green arrow. Then we will proceed by selecting the device detection icon. That is, the network light green symbol in the toolbar. As soon as the window pops up, the list of IEDs with IP addresses accessible from our device will be shown to us. In case we had several IP addresses assigned in our network interfaces, we would also be able to select which one to use when doing the device detection. The device detection window shows the following data: MAC address of the network interface card, IP address or addresses in that network interface, platform name, device model, firmware version, and lastly, the subnetwork mask used for each IP address. In addition to detecting devices, these can also be pinged. Furthermore, the IP address and subnetwork mask of the network interface in use can also be modified from this window. As it can be seen by simply refreshing the detected devices list, the recently done modifications are quickly updated in the device. We will reset the IP address of the device that has just been modified. Besides these functionalities, the device detection window does also let the user import the CID of the IEDs both to the PC or to the active installation. For that, an FTP connection needs to be established with the selected device. Much like when importing a CID to the PC, we will need to establish an FTP connection to import a CID to the installation. Once the loading process is finished, a new window will be shown to us, where we can select which bay and voltage level the imported CID will be located at. We can also change the name of the IED that we want to import to the installation. After the importation is finished, the IED Properties window will be shown to us, where, by simply clicking on the Accept button, we will be sent back to the Device Detection window. The last functionality available to the user in the Device Detection window is synchronization. By clicking on the Synchronize button, a new interface will be displayed, which will let us both send a reference time to the IED or get the time reference from it. In order for the synchronization command to be sent, an FTP connection needs to be established. Back in the installation's topological view, the imported CD2 will be shown in its selected voltage level and bay. Finally, we now know how the device detection and CID importing work in the Energy Factory Suite tool.
Ingeteam, electrifying a sustainable future.